houses abanamali. How do you sleep at night? They don't have plan. Better nothing. How do you sleep at night? Bona, because they are not caring yeah.
So what is a counselor first?
People fail to understand a counselor. A counselor must be a servant. A servant, a servant of the people.
Yes.
And if you are a servant of the people, it means that utovuka nasebusuku uma bathi bantu vuka, because you said to yourself or to them, ngiyavuma ngidanithwala mina. So kumnyama kubovu ngidaniseva, because I am your servant. Muntu uthunywa abantu ku council, and not to represent himself, but he's there to represent the people. Manje bantu sebayimise reciprocal lento. Councilor lo nguye lo la ngaphansi lo bekumele ngabe uyisabe into sekuye yena manje uyabo. That's why they can easily tell you ukuthi manje lokho akwendeki. Mara now ngathi asibiyeleni back ku freedom charter. If freedom charter, it's the people shall govern. And if the freedom charter says the people shall govern, it simply means that if the people say we want water and we want it now,
you need to make a plan.
You need to make a plan. The plan must be there. So manje bantu bayimise reciprocal, I repeat. Labantu sebala ngaphansi sekushayina councilor like that, which is wrong. So bantu bekufuna bayifunze from lapho ukuthi, but this person is no longer a servant to us. Uyabo, sethine singema servants wakhe. That's why uva bathi hey lo mtsala kakhulu. Ngilomtsala njani umntwana wami? Ekhaya kini ngeke. Ekhaya kini ngeke ufike sebabita wena ngoba wena uletha impuphu endlini sebathi lo mtsala. It makes no sense.
I sound very kakhulu. Ngani vele seba lo bathi inkonje labantu labo. Babita uthi inkonje. Sema celebrate.
Yes.
Baguqula ma celebrate.
Yes.
That's the reason ukuthi lo mtsala.
So ngcono bayahamba yekocula noma baye-actor yabo. Babe ma celebrate ngcono lethu ke TV.
Ma content creator now.
Once but sibinde ngibona sisathi sakhe leni content ubashoot nje obushoot yabo.
Ma content creator like for real, because njengoba usho ukuthi lo muntu akasayi emphakathini sekuyiwa kuye. Akasayi ukuthi thina siya kuye socela iservice kuye avume. Akasethi kuyiletha tonika futhi ne-feedback ukuthi njani thina kufuna sibile kuye so ukuthi manje
in actual fact wena bhuti lento bekufuna as a servant of the people. Bekufuna wende sure ukuthi ngenyanga you call the entire community beyond that. This is what